Are you ready to revolutionize the way you earn online? Picture this: what if I told you that you could make money by simply answering questions? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, we're going to unveil the secret sauce that combines the incredible potential of AI technology with the profitable world of affiliate marketing. Welcome to the ultimate guide on AI affiliate marketing with ChatGPT. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on our cutting-edge strategies. Let's dive right in. Before we dive into the step-by-step instructions on how to earn money by answering questions, let's take a moment to understand the foundation of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a proven strategy where individuals promote products or services on behalf of a company and earn commissions for every successful referral or sale they generate. It's a win-win situation. The company gets increased sales, while affiliates earn passive income. Now, imagine taking this powerful concept and infusing it with the capabilities of artificial intelligence. That's where AI affiliate marketing comes into play. AI has revolutionized the field by providing automated solutions to common challenges faced by affiliates. One such solution is ChatGPT, an advanced language model that can answer questions and engage with potential customers in a conversational manner. Imagine being able to provide personalized recommendations, address customer concerns, and offer real-time support without lifting a finger. ChatGPT allows you to scale your affiliate marketing efforts and reach a larger audience, all while saving time and effort. Now, let's delve deeper into how AI affiliate marketing with ChatGPT works and explore the step-by-step process to earn money by answering questions. Step 1. Create an account on QUORA. Your first step is to visit QUORA.com and create a free account. It's a straightforward process, as you'll see. You can sign up with your Facebook account or use your email. Once you're in, you'll find your profile settings easily accessible from this page. On QUORA, our primary objective is to identify questions that we can address using the combined power of ChatGPT and CLICKBANK. Now, there are countless issues you can start addressing right away to kickstart your money-making journey. However, I recommend focusing on 3 key categories: health, wealth, and relationships. These categories tend to yield faster results. Of course, there are numerous other topics you can explore as well. For instance, if you choose stress reduction or weight loss, you'll fall within the health category. Similarly, topics like earning money online fall under the wealth category, and so on. Step 2. Look for questions that you can answer. Now, let's kickstart our AI affiliate marketing journey by finding the questions that we can provide valuable answers to. Begin by entering a relevant keyword, such as weight loss, into the search box. As you hit enter, you'll witness the vast array of inquiries related to the chosen topic. To narrow down our search and increase our chances of standing out, utilize the filters available on the left side of the screen. Select questions type to focus specifically on questions asked by users. Additionally, adjust the time filter to display queries from the previous hour or day. This way, you'll encounter fewer competitors and have a higher chance of capturing the attention of potential customers. Take a look at the search results now. You'll notice an abundance of fresh weight loss related questions that have just been asked. These inquiries are ripe opportunities for us to step in and provide valuable insights, positioning ourselves as trusted authorities in the field of weight loss. Step 3. Write a response using ChatGPT. Let's now utilize the power of ChatGPT to generate a comprehensive and distinctive answer to one of the selected questions. I've chosen this particular question to begin with. Simply copy the question and navigate to ChatGPT. To ensure the highest quality of responses, I recommend requesting ChatGPT to split the answer into sections and use bullet points. This formatting approach adds clarity and makes your answers stand out even more. Once the response is generated, copy it and return to the platform where the question was asked, such as QUORA. Click on Answer and paste the text provided by ChatGPT. To enhance readability and aesthetics, consider bolding keywords or inserting spaces between paragraphs. However, don't rush to submit your answer just yet, as we still need to find a relevant product to promote, which is a crucial step in the AI affiliate marketing process. Step 4. Register an account on ClickBank. The next step is to create a free account on ClickBank, one of the leading affiliate marketing platforms. Visit clickbank.com and navigate to the registration page. Fill in the required details to set up your account. Once you log into your ClickBank account, you'll gain access to a vast array of offers that you can promote and earn commissions from. On the left side of the page, you'll find product categories that can help you narrow down your search. At this stage, our objective is to find a product that aligns with the query we're aiming to answer. For example, in this case, we'll search for weight loss related products. As you initiate the search, you'll notice a list of relevant products appearing on the screen. These are the potential items that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. When navigating ClickBank's product page, there are a few key aspects to pay attention to. 1. Gravity score. The gravity score is an indicator of a product's popularity and performance among affiliates. A higher gravity score generally suggests that the product has a proven track record of sales and may be worth considering. 2. Commission. To determine how much you can earn per sale, look for the commission details provided on the product page. In this example, you can earn $136.17 each time a customer buys this product through your link. 3. Affiliate page. Click on the affiliate page button to access a dedicated page that provides comprehensive information. This page may include details about the product's features, marketing materials, promotional strategies, and additional resources to support your affiliate marketing efforts. Remember, it's essential to conduct your due diligence and assess whether the product aligns with your customer's question. Consider factors such as the product's quality, relevance, and sales potential to ensure you choose the right product to promote and maximize your earnings as an affiliate marketer. Step 5. Include your affiliate link in your answer. The final step is to add our affiliate link to the answer. For my example, I have chosen the smoothie diet as the product to promote. After conducting thorough research, it's time to create your affiliate link. You may do this by clicking on the Promote button, fill in the details, and create a hop link, which is your unique affiliate link. Once we return to the platform where the question was asked, we simply need to edit our answer to include the advertising link. One effective method is to provide your own suggestion or recommendation in the answer, and then paste the name of the product you're promoting as a separate section. Once you've completed this, attach the affiliate link to the product name. This approach enhances the appearance of your answer and provides a cleaner, more professional presentation compared to pasting the raw URL. Finally, when you're satisfied with your answer and have included the affiliate link, you can click Post to publish it. From that point forward, you will earn a commission when readers of your response use the affiliate link to make a purchase. The beauty of this strategy is that you only need to do it once, and your response will continue to generate passive income without requiring further effort on your part. To make the most of this approach, aim to respond to as many relevant inquiries as possible each day, thereby maximizing your earning potential. By consistently engaging with the audience, providing valuable answers, and strategically integrating affiliate links, you can create a sustainable income stream through AI affiliate marketing. Remember, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable tips on AI affiliate marketing. See you in my next video.